Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best shop vac. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Armor All 5-gallon wet/dry utility shop vacuum. If you're going to be using your shop vacuum primarily for cleaning out your car, you're going to be looking for something different than for cleaning a garage. You can use a smaller vacuum, but you'll need something cordless or with a long cord to make sure you can reach every part of your car. Finally, you'll still need something that handles wet and dry messes, because cars experience both of those. The answer, and the top ranked model in our list of best car vacuums, is the Armor All AA255, with a 2-horsepower motor, 10-foot cord, 6-foot hose, and 5 gallons of waste storage. You can easily clean your entire car as often as you like. It's also got a detailed brush crevice tool for removing dust and other small particles from your dashboard or other sensitive areas. Finally, it converts to a blower if you want to get dirt off the exterior of your vehicle. It is more of a set instead of just a simple shop vac, as you will find a variety of accessories included in the package, such as a 6-foot hose, wet filter, detail brush, and car nozzle, to name a few. Best features: it has 2 6-gallon storage capacity, powered by a 2 HP peak power motor, backed by 2 years of warranty, comes with a 10-foot long power cord. Number 2. Stanley SL18116P Shop Vacuum Cleaner. Stanley is also presenting a decent option for a compact-sized shop vac on this list. It is also one of the budget options available in the market for a shop vac. In the second position, we are putting one more budget option for a shop vac. The Stanley SL18116P is also a wet/dry vacuum cleaner that comes with 6 gallons capacity, which is pretty large in our opinion. Plus, it is powered by a 4 HP peak power motor, so picking up heavier debris should not be a problem with the Stanley SL18116P. In total, this machine offers a coverage area of about 16 feet thanks to the 6-foot long hose and 10-foot long power cords. You will also get 3 units of extension wands with the Stanley SL18116P that lets you adjust the hose length as per your requirement. There are many accessories included with the Stanley SL18116P, such as a cleaning hose, gulper nozzle, floor nozzle, crevice nozzle, foam filter, dry filter, and even a dust bag. You will also notice wheels at the bottom of the machine that makes the Stanley SL18116P very easy to maneuver on all kinds of surfaces. Pros: motor power is pretty good. Offers up to 16 feet coverage area. Comes with 3 extension wands. 1-year warranty. Cons: warranty period should have been longer. Number 3. Craftsman 16-gallon 6.5 peak HP wet/dry vac. The option to collect dust in a disposable bag is a perk with this Craftsman wet/dry vac. The vacuum features a powerful 6.5 HP motor and a 16-gallon capacity tank that can be used with or without a dust collection bag. Buyers receive 1 bag, and replacement bags are sold separately. Disposing of dry debris is simple with a disposable bag that the user can lift out of the collection tank and throw away. Dust collection bags are only used when vacuuming dry debris. The Craftsman comes with a 7-foot flexible hose and a long 20-foot power cord, giving the user ample reach for most cleanup situations. With 2 extension wands, a car nozzle, a crevice nozzle, a utility nozzle, and a wet nozzle, this wet/dry vac is well suited for DIY and home renovation projects. The power cord wraps around the handle, which we had to install ourselves for some reason, and the hose has brackets that we also had to install that hold it in place. However, if the hose and cord storage